Good morning, students. Today I will teach combination. Okay, permutation I have already completed. No, okay, and also I explained few sums in video class, live class also. Yes. Now combination will start. The number of combination. Okay. See, combination. Combination means selection. Combination means selection. How many way we have to select the object? Suppose in your class 40 students are there. Okay. So suppose we have select only one student as its monitor. Anyway, okay, only one student as a monitor or two students as a monitor. How many times we have to add? This is not a matter. Okay, but here is selection is given, only selection. Suppose A, B, C. If we consider two letters, so you can write AB one selection, or BC also selection, or AC also selection. See, AB or BA both are same, no change. Both are same. Understood? Here selection is there. BC both are same. BC or CB, AC or CA both are same. So here selection, if we consider three letters, so selection is three way. But combination is combination is three way. Number of combination 3, but number of permutation 6. See, AB, BA, BC, CB, AC, CA. These are permutation. And these are combination. Understood? So n different objects are given, taken are at a time. So number of combination will be okay, number of combination NCR. See, NCR equal to factorial n by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Okay. So here NCR, n object, total number of objects, different objects n, taken are at a time. So number of combination NCR factorial n by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Okay. Understood? Now, okay, suppose if we put here, suppose r equal to 0, NC, find the value NC0. So write factorial n by 0 factorial into n minus 0 factorial. So n factorial by, so all of you know 0 factorial 1 into n factorial, cancel, so value is 1. So NC0 equal to 1, keep in mind. Okay. NC n, see, factorial n by n factorial into here n minus n 0 factorial, here also 1. So NC0 1, NCn also 1. Okay. Now NCR equal to NCn minus R. Okay, keep in mind NCR equal to NC n minus R. So look at here, NCR equal to n factorial by R factorial into n minus R factorial. Okay, and here n factorial by n minus R factorial into n minus R, that is n plus R factorial. So look at here, n factorial equal to n minus R factorial into R factorial. So both are same. So NCR equal to NC n minus R. Keep in mind. Okay. Okay. Now next one, NCR n factorial by R factorial into n minus R factorial. So all for this one we can write here R factorial into NCR equal to write n factorial by n minus R. No. So all of you know this one will be NPR. So NPR equal to R factorial into NCR. Okay, note it down. The relation between NPR and NCR. Okay. Next one, only remember NCP, very important formula, equal to NCQ implies P plus Q equal to N when P not equal to Q. NCP equal to NCQ implies P plus Q equal to N when P not equal to Q. P not equal to Q. Okay. And NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. Keep in mind NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. NCR by NCR minus 1 equal to N minus R plus 1 by R. NCR by NCR minus 1 equal to N minus R plus 1 by R. All of you remember this type formula is there, okay? So it is very helpful for MCQ type questions. All of you remember. NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. NCR by NCR minus 1 equal to N minus R plus 1 by R. I am showing here. Look at the board. See, NCR plus NCR minus 1. Okay, so look at here. So this you can write n factorial by R factorial into n minus R factorial. Okay, plus n factorial by R minus 1 factorial into n minus R minus, that is plus 1 factorial. Okay, now n factorial take common and here R factorial This one can write n minus r into n minus r minus 1 factorial. No, we can write no. This one. Acha, wait. I am saying. I am not change this part. Okay. Here n minus r factorial. So here we can write n factorial by r minus 1 factorial into this one writing n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial. See, n minus r plus 1 factorial equal to n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial. Just minus 1 subtract. So look at here, n factorial here by n minus r factorial I am taking common. So here 1 by r factorial plus 1 by n minus r plus 1 into r minus 1 factorial. Okay. Again, here you multiplied here both sides r. 1 is given. So if both sides, both numerator and denominator, you have to multiply it by r. So you can write here n factorial by n minus r factorial into 1 by r factorial plus r by, we can write here r into r minus 1 factorial, okay, into n minus r plus 1. Okay. Now see, again r into r minus 1 factorial means r factorial, you take r factorial common again. So n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial, okay, r into r minus 1 factorial equal to r factorial. So r factorial take common into n minus r. So I am taking here 1 plus r by n minus r plus 1, n minus r plus 1. Okay. Now okay, see, n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So into here n minus r plus 1 plus r by n minus r plus 1. Okay, r cancel. So here n factorial into n plus 1 by r factorial into n minus r factorial into n minus r plus 1. Okay. Now n into n plus 1 into n factorial means we can write n plus 1 factorial by, okay, here r factorial into n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial means, so n minus r plus 1 factorial. Okay. So you can write here, this means n plus 1 cr, no? See, n plus 1 factorial by r factorial into n plus 1 minus or this is n minus or plus 1, both are same. So we are getting NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to n plus 1 CR. N plus 1 CR. Keep in mind. Okay? Copy first. Okay? The next one. Next one. So I am giving one sum. Look at here. See, prove that NCR plus n minus 1 CR minus 1 plus n minus 1 C R minus 2 n plus 1 CR. Okay, see, left hand side NCR plus n minus 1 CR minus 1 n minus 1 CR minus 2. So you can write NCR plus this one, look at here, n minus 1 CR plus n minus 1 CR minus 2 is given according to this one, this part. No, here, so all of you know this one, just NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to n plus 1 CR you can write. So if we take these two, okay, so n minus 1 plus 1 CR, that is R minus 1. So NCR plus NCR minus 1 getting. According to this, you can write this one. So n plus 1 CR. This is the proof. Okay. First we take these two parts. N minus 1 CR minus 1 plus n minus 1 CR minus 2. So you can write n minus 1 plus 1 by CR minus 1. So n by CR minus 1. Okay. NCR minus 1. Again NCR plus NCR minus 1 n plus 1 CR. Okay. Next one. Similar way, another sum. Suppose 15C8 plus 15C9 minus 15C6 minus 15C7. What is the value? Evaluate. Okay. So writing C here 15, just arrange C9 plus 15C8 taking. Okay, minus take common 15C7 plus 15C6. So NCR okay, NCR minus 1, 9 minus 1 8. So this part you can write n plus 1 CR. So 15 plus 1 C 9. Here also 15 plus 1 C 7. So here write 16C9 minus 16C7. Okay. Now NCR minus N minus R. So this part you can write 16C 16 minus 9 minus 16C7. So 16 here 7 minus 16C7 equal to 0. Just always remember here NCR equal to NC N minus R. This formula applied here. This part. Okay. So value will be 0. This value will be 0. Okay. Now next one. The total number of combination of n different things taken any number at a time, is 2 to the power n minus 1. Okay. N, the total number of combination n is given. Different things are there, taken any number at a time. Okay. So combination will be 2 to the power n minus 1. Suppose you have 6 friends. Okay. On your birthday, how many way you have to select your friend? How many you have to select your friends on your birthday? Either 1 or 2 or 3 or all. Suppose you have 5 friends or 6 friends. Understood? So number of combination will be 2 to the power 6 minus 1 way. Combination. If 6 friends are there, suppose 5 friends, 2 to the power 5 minus 1. Suppose you have to invite your 4 friends, that is 2 to the power 4 minus 1. So total number of combination. Okay. Either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 is like that. Okay. And NCR, keep in mind, one important theory is there. And other things, as one is left. The total number of combination of suppose P, Q, R things are there. Okay. One kind is same. Suppose P things, one kind. Q things, another kind, second kind. R things. Okay. Third kind is there. Then total number of combination. Understood? The total number of combination of suppose P plus Q plus R. P plus Q plus R is already given. P one kind, Q other second kind, second kind. This is first kind. R suppose third kind. Third kind is given. Okay, it's like that is given. The total number combination will be P plus 1 into Q plus 1, R plus 1, right, minus 1. Keep in mind the formula is there. All of you remember this formula. Okay? And another is there, NCR greatest value. Okay? If n is even positive integer, n belongs to positive integer. Okay, n positive integer, then NCR is the greatest value when r equal to n by 2. Okay, NCR will be greatest value When r equal to, right, r equal to n by 2, the greatest value will be NCR. And if n is odd positive integer, odd number, that is odd positive integer, then NCR is the greatest value when r equal to n minus 1 by 2 or n plus 1 by 2, anyone. Either r equal to n minus 1 by 2 or r equal to n plus 1 by 2, then NCR is the greatest value. Okay. Again, next I will discuss few extra sums. Okay. Okay. No more today.